maso
Nsangaye.
njengoba ke wathi ke ukuthi tintombi tethu awagezi ayacomplaina ngekuthi thina siyacomplaina nakasipostile
Exactly. Kube ngathi ke thina mhlambe sesiyachita ke.
okay fine
Siyachita.
but that's not the valid reason yabo
Inkinga ngilembhukudvu labayibhalako nabasipostile.
wena lo mbhukudvu weparagraph
Ubabhali essay le nje ungavela ubhale kahle njengomuntu onomali uthi me and my bay. Ugcine khona lapho.
sebula hayi lo bese sobhala bo darling my love you found me heartbroken
Kidney broken.
you found me without a cleavage but now I have
In chest pain.
and for other pains
By that you hakatoro kiss my heart.
your hands are my Jerusalem
And you nanatul at me.
you are my sister Bettina
So you deserve a Hebrew mwa.
naba ngeke zakumele
Kuthi umuntu ongajabulela emboleni. Ngisho nanyana awungizibili mwa.